Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. आरआरबी स्केल 2 लॉ ऑफिसर का नोटिफिकेशन कुछ दिन पहले आया था और एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल होना स्टार्ट हो गया है. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail 3 months preparation strategy, and I'm also going to share with you a study plan which you can download and which you can follow so that you can have a strategic preparation for this exam and you are able to clear this exam. Going through the important details once, you can fill the online application form from 7th of June to 27th of June. So keep these dates in mind and fill the application form as early as possible if you are eligible for this exam. Your exam date as per IBPS calendar is 29th of September. Single level examination है, that exam is expected on 29th of September. तो आपके पास अभी 3 months से ज़्यादा time है and you can make the best use of this time to clear the exam this year. There are 30 vacancies for Scale 2 Law Officer post. In my earlier video, I have discussed in detail the exam pattern, the syllabus and previous year cutoffs, how much score you should target while you're preparing for RRB Scale 2 Law exam. So moving ahead, in this video, we'll be discussing about the preparation strategy and how you can manage your time to prepare for various topics. This is the RRB Scale 2 Law Officer study plan. You can download this from the description below. Initially, eligibility is mentioned. Confirm that you are eligible. You should have 2 years experience. You should have law degree with minimum 50% and age should be between 21 to 32 years. Then coming to exam pattern, there is a single level examination having 6 subjects. 200 marks paper is there. Composite time of 2 hours 30 minutes is there. Then negative marking is present, sectional cutoff is present, interview marks are given, weightage of interview is 20% and of written exam is 80%. Now you see there is a week wise study plan added to this document. This is attached in the description. I am not giving you a day wise study plan because eventually it's better that you are able to cover these topics on a weekly basis. First of all, you will see I have mentioned quant and DI topics which you have to study on a weekly basis. Try to cover these topics within a week. Now whatever time you have, you can divide your time between various subjects, between various topics. Reasoning also, there is one topic every week and so is for English. For initial 3-4 weeks in English, you will be studying the basics of grammar. If you are strong in basics, you can skip this portion and directly move to your English preparation from week 5. So here you can manage your time based on the topics which you already know. तो वो समझ करके आपको अगर ब्लड रिलेशंस आता है, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच या टेंसेस आता है, तो आप वो टॉपिक छोड़ सकते हो और उस पर बाद में आ सकते हो और वो वाला वीक बाकी एरियाज को कवर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हो. So here if you see, the financial awareness topic has been divided into 2 parts. One is current affairs and another is static portion. Financial awareness is of 40 marks. There are 40 questions. So you will have to study this topic both from the dynamic and the static perspective. आपको इकोनॉमिक बैंकिंग फाइनेंस करंट अफेयर्स करने हैं मोस्टली 5 to 6 मंथ्स के, बिकॉज आपका एग्जाम सितंबर में है तो अप्रैल से सितंबर तक के करंट अफेयर्स, इकोनॉमिक बैंकिंग फाइनेंस करंट अफेयर्स आपको करने हैं. इसके अलावा स्टैटिक पोर्शन भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. आरबीआई का क्या रूल है, आरबीआई के क्या फंक्शंस हैं, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको पता होनी चाहिए. मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी रिपोर्ट जो हर 2 महीने में आती है वो आपके करंट अफेयर्स में कवर हो जाएगी. मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी रिपोर्ट क्या है, फिस्कल पॉलिसी क्या है, मनी मार्केट, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, कैपिटल मार्केट, इंश्योरेंस मार्केट, आपको फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के बारे में अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए. वो सब आपका स्टैटिक पोर्शन में कवर होगा. देन यू हैव कंप्यूटर नॉलेज. आई हैव ऑल्सो मेंशन द टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी इन कंप्यूटर ऑन अ वीकली बेसिस. एंड देन योर प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज, योर लॉ पोर्शन, एंड दीज आर द टॉपिक्स which you have to cover on a weekly basis. Now how you can manage your time, how you can strategize your preparation. So I am assuming over here that you are working professional since experience is required for this post. Here if you are devoting 4 hours on a daily basis and few extended hours, 6 to 8 hours on the weekends, you will be able to prepare for this exam. So whatever time you are devoting on a regular basis, divide that time into 2 parts. So if you are giving 4 hours, 2.5 hours study your law portion and for the remaining 1.5 hour you can pick up any of the subject which is mentioned in the weekly plan. आप क्वांट डीआई कर सकते हो, रीजनिंग कर सकते हो, फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस पढ़ सकते हो. वीकेंड पे आपको ज़्यादा टाइम देना है तो वीकेंड तक कोशिश करनी है कि जो भी वीक 1 के टॉपिक्स मेंशन है वो सारे आप कवर कर लो। सो टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ द स्टडी प्लान, कीप इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। यहाँ पर आप थोड़े से टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी यूज कर सकते हो। And for that, keep in mind the previous year cutoffs and the target score in your head. I have already told you in my earlier video that you should be targeting somewhere 80, 85, in fact, a little bit more than that, somewhere near 90 marks out of 200 in your written examination, which is not that difficult to achieve. If you see, the cutoff last year was 36.63. Now here, even if you get 60, you will be able to clear the exam. But still, I will suggest that target a little bit higher score, because we have seen the written exam cutoff going high to 65, 60 also. तो यहाँ पर आप somewhere 85, 90 marks target कीजिए. For those 85, 90 marks, see आपको 100% syllabus cover करने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो अपनी strengths पर play करना है. सेक्शनल कट ऑफ सब में आएगी तो थोड़ा बहुत तो सारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, बट सिंस मोस्ट ऑफ द लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स हैव अ फियर ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड, क्वांट में आप सिलेक्टिव टॉपिक्स पढ़ सकते हैं. रीजनिंग इंग्लिश आप अच्छे से कर लीजिए. फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस पार्ट भी कंप्लीटली कीजिए, बिकॉज करंट अफेयर का पोर्शन थोड़ा अनप्रिडिक्टेबल हो जाता है एंड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिटेनिंग पार्ट. कंप्यूटर नॉलेज में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम आपको नहीं लगेगा, एंड बाकी बचा आपका प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज विच इज़ योर स्ट्रेंथ, विच शुड बी योर स्ट्रॉन्ग एरिया. कीप दिस इन माइंड. आपका एग्जाम 60-70 मार्क्स लाकर भी क्लियर हो सकता है, but the more you score, the better chances you have to beat the competition. So keep this in mind. Try to follow this plan. If you have any queries, you can ask them in the comment below. You can also check out our IBPS RRB Scale 2 Law Officer online course. In this course, you will get live classes, doubt clarifying classes, practice test, full length mock test, section test, chapter test, study material PDF, short clips, videos, interview guidance, everything present in a single package. So here, if you are interested, if you need any form of guidance, you can check out our course. You can call us on this number to know more about the course offerings. The link to demo of this course is present in the description. Once you click on that link, your demo will be activated and you can check out sample videos, sample material present in the course, and understand how the course is structured. So that's all in this video. I hope I am able to give you a plan, a direction for your preparation. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.